And it's gonna be my third mod to my car. I'm gonna change the color, but just to let you guys know, I already started it. Let's see. So I already did it. Start right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take everything off and show you guys exactly how to get it done. So I'm gonna stop right here. What's up? Say hi to Nana, everybody. There you go. So I'm gonna go ahead and change it, and yeah, I'm gonna show you guys exactly what it looked before that. Just my face. Move your head. Only in the sun. Right here. Alright. So again, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how it's done. This is what it comes in. Little thing right here so you can help you push it in there. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly how it looked before that. So I'm gonna take it off. 1 second. I'm gonna take everything off, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly what it looked before, and after that I'm gonna add it to it so you guys can see the difference. Alright, I'm gonna give Nana the phone, camera. So we're gonna go ahead and take it off.
Do you need this?
No, this one. Let's take it off. And that's how easy it is to stuff too. Just in case you want to change the color. So
Just change the color?
just gonna show them exactly how to do it. So for people that don't know how to do it.
What about that one? Ooh, they feel so much fun.
I'm gonna show you how easy it is to come off. No, go ahead, take this one out. No, go ahead, just take it out.
Oh, okay.
There you go. That's how easy it is. Alright, get to me. Now take this one out.
Ooh.
There you go. Okay, you get out now. Let's show them. Alright, so this is how it looked like before everything's added to it. Alright. This is before. Okay, nothing on the doors. Alright. So again, the first mod that I actually did, I actually bought some caliper covers and put it in there. So those are plastics. Okay, I think I spent about like $200-300 on them. Right? And the car, when I bought it, came with the stripes, so I didn't spend no money on that. The second mod that I did to it, I changed those. This is the SRT lid right there. So I added that to it. And yeah, so this is what it looked like before. And I want you guys to pay attention to this side right here. To this side right here, okay? So now I'm gonna hold the camera for me. Sit back, baby. Alright. And I want you to record exactly what I'm doing.
Okay.
Right here, okay?
Okay.
Just make sure it's in the screen, okay?
Okay.
Not just me. You need to make sure you get this one right here, right? Okay? So
Okay.
we're gonna start from here. You gotta record this. Okay?
Okay.
You getting this?
Mhm.
Okay, good. Good job. Good job, baby. Okay. So all we're doing is we're pushing it in there. Actually, I'm gonna start on this side. Be better if I start on this side. So we're gonna go ahead and put everything. There we go. Come on. There we go. And since it's kind of like hot right now, since it's kind of like hot outside, so this is more flexible. Okay, so come on. so far, this is what it looked like. I had a problem with this yesterday. Nah. Okay, so far, this is what this looked like. Change the color red. Right here. So this is what this looked like. Now, we're gonna go ahead and put it right here. So, Nana, make sure I get this part right here.
Right here?
Yep.
Okay, right here.
So not too close. Alright.
I'm getting measured so they can see it.
Huh?
I'm gonna measure it.
I think that was it. Uh-oh. There we go. Alright, so this right here, I'm gonna start right here. There we go. You see how easy it is to put right here? So, again, I personally will recommend to leave it in the car while it's hot if the sun's outside. So it's much flexible. Because last night, I was having a hard time to put in because it was so hard and my fingers was hurting. But now, it's so easy. So, yeah.
It says 3, 2, 1,
It's okay.
0,
It's okay. That's the zone. It's okay. We don't need no zoom in there. All right. Okay.
Okay.
There we go. So this goes right here.
Awesome.
Right there. Boom, boom. Yep, I was having a problem right here too. So it's okay. It's okay. There we go. Yeah, this part right here can be, well, no, actually, take that back. Too close, Anna, too close. There we go. Alright, now I'm about to get fired.
I didn't do nothing.
Huh? So you did nothing. So this part right here. So what I'm gonna do is try to slide the top part in first and start pushing until it get in there. So there we go. All right. So I'll make sure you guys saw the whole thing. All right. So this right here. Boom. So I'm still gonna put some. That's just me, my personal choice. Since I can't put nothing right here, I'm just gonna go ahead and put something right here. And I'm gonna put right here too. And I'm gonna put some on the door line. So when I'm done with it, because I don't want my battery to die, I will show you guys how it looks like. Alright, so we're finally done. Now it's finally done. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly what we got so far. Are y'all ready for this? You think they're ready? You think they're ready?
Yes.
I'm gonna see if you guys are ready. Let's go. Boom. There we go. Let's see what it look like. Oh. Let's see. Ah. This is what it looked like on the inside. So we're finally done. Oh no. There we go. There we go. Sorry about that. Gotta fix this real quick. There we go. Alright, so yep. So this is the new mod. Only cost me like $15, $15 to $20 plus shipping. And also, I don't know if you guys seen this, but look at this shit right here. So if you guys know best place or a good place in Chicago where I don't have to spend a lot of money to fix this shit right here, just let me know. But other than that, there you go. So that's it. Get in, Nana. All right. All right. Again. So I saw this mod on YouTube, and I was like, I'm gonna go ahead and get it done to my car. And also, I just wanted to send a big shout out to Tall Guy. My bad, fam. Tall Guy Car Review. I mean, this dude is legendary, and yeah, you know, he kind of inspired me to start YouTube as well. So big shout out to you, my dude. And again, I can't forget Mr. Organic. You know, keep it real all the time. So with that said, close the door. Close the door. It's not closed. Thank you. So with that said, man, just got done with this mod. I mean, this look pretty legit, man. Just like, there you go. The trim, all red. I don't know for how long I'm gonna keep this, but this is the all red, and it's right here on the door. So if you guys need to ask me questions as far as like where I got it from, just let me know. Actually, I bought this on Amazon. It was like $15 plus shipping. So yeah, if you guys think any cool ideas or any other cool mod that I should do to my car, comment below, like. Even if you don't subscribe, make sure you comment to let me know what you guys think about this. With that said, man, that's it. Another one. I know I haven't been posting in a while, but I'm gonna start because, you know, summer's almost here and I'm gonna be in Florida, so you know the whip gotta look pretty clean. So with that said, we out. Alright. And we're gonna drive around to see, you know, what people really think about the car. So that's it, man. Did we lock the door upstairs?
Yes.
You sure?
What's that white stuff on her shirt?
That's the blind.
No, not that, like that. You see the white stuff?
Yeah, that's the blind.
That's the blind.
What white stuff?
You see, like, in the door? Like that little white stuff?
That's the blind.
Not that.
Anyway, alright, with that said, man, thank you for watching this video. If you like it, make sure you like.
Subscribe.
And I'll see you guys in the next one. Alright, guys, I'm back. And I just realized that I have a little left. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to put it around right here. Alright. Since I already have one right here, I'm going to put it right there. And yeah. You guys let me know what y'all think. Alright. Here. Let's go. Make sure you record right here. Okay. And put the window down so I can get some light in here. There we go. Alright, so let's start with this. And down.
It says backlight.
Yeah.
Now it says person walking behind you.
And I'm recording. So yeah, so it's right here. So we're gonna cut this right here. Of course, you guys can use something else, but me, I use this since that's the one that I have, and it's right here. So there we go. That's one. Hopefully, I have enough for this. Hopefully, that's enough. And I think that is going to be enough. And that's it. There we go. And that's exactly how it looked like. So, yeah. You guys let me know what y'all think, man. Alright. Alright, y'all. And to top it off, I'm about to add this to the collection. So, as you guys, I don't know if you guys can see, but I don't know what's going on, but stuff like scratching right here. So, I don't like that at all. So, I'm gonna go ahead and install this. Nice grip. This was only like $8. So, yeah. I'm on the mod. Let's go.
This is the last one.
There you go, guys. So this is it, and this is how it look like. Trying to put my arms way back there. There we go.
It smells like barbecue.
So this is my new mod. There we go, guys. And that's it, man. Y'all ready? Let me know what y'all think. Real talk. What's your face, baby? Sit back. Let me know what y'all think. Alright.
Why?
You guys let me know what. So you guys should let us know in the comment what color we should try. Alright? So yeah. So I know I said we gone, but this is it, man. See you guys until next time.
Bye.
We out.
And Maya, if you're watching, please let me know if we should watch more.
Okay. Alright, so we out. You can't beat me to it. 1, 2, 3. There you go.